Imagine turning a simple text prompt into a cinematic AI video in just a few clicks without spending a single rupee. Sounds impossible? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to use Pika AI completely free and create eye-catching videos that look professionally made. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a simple prompt trick that can instantly improve your AI videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for an easy AI video generator that can create stunning videos from text, images, or ideas, then Pika AI might be exactly what you need. First, open the Pika AI website and click on the Sign Up button. You can create an account using your Google account, Discord account, or email address. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your details. Once you're logged in, you'll receive free credits that allow you to start creating videos right away. After logging in, click on Create Video. You'll see a text box where you can enter your prompt. This is where the magic happens. For example, instead of writing cat walking, try a fluffy orange cat walking through a futuristic neon city at night. Cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, smooth camera movement. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. Once your prompt is ready, select your preferred settings and click Generate. Pika AI will take a short time to process your request and create a unique AI-generated video based on your description. Improve your results. Here's the trick most beginners don't know. Always include words like cinematic, 4K, realistic lighting, smooth camera movement, and high detail. These simple keywords often make videos look much more professional. You can also upload images and use them as references to create even better animations. And that's how you can use Pika AI for free to create amazing AI videos in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.